Okay, let's do answers and practice for our fingerspelling exercise. Here are the answers. The person was Anne Hathaway and the movie was Jurassic Park. Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to put our fingerspelling to use. We're going to practice the answers, but our goal is to sign this. Anne Hathaway, like movie Jurassic Park. So we're going to mix up fingerspelling and some signing to make sure you can sign a full sentence. Okay, let's jump in first and we're going to practice the name, right? So fingerspell with me. We're going to go nice and slow. We're going to speed up as we go. First, let's just do the individual letters. Here we go. A, N, N, E, H, A, T, H, A, W, A, Y. Okay, we have the letters. Now let's do the name. Anne Hathaway. Okay, you're going to notice I fingerspelled Anne here. I moved over for the second name over here, Hathaway, right? And at the end of Anne, when I went A, N, N, E, I paused on that last letter just a little bit longer, and then I went to the last name. All right, let's do it again. Let's speed up a little bit. Anne Hathaway. And you're going to notice a double letter in the word Anne, in the name Anne. So you go A, N, second N off to the side, then come back for the E. We're coming back for the E because we're trying to keep our hand here for the first name. So when we move over to the second name, it's very clear that we have a first and last name. Okay, here we go. Anne Hathaway. Anne Hathaway. All right, one last time, a little bit quicker. Anne Hathaway. Okay, so lots of practice and repetition is wonderful because it's very probable that other words have these same letter combinations. So we're going to get muscle memory and we're going to be able to do it easier in the future for other words. Yes. Okay, let's move to the name of the movie, Jurassic Park. Same thing as last time. Let's just break it down nice and slow. First, we're just going to do the individual letters. So fingerspell with me. J, U, R, A, S, S, I, C, P, A, R, K. All right, go slow. We're going to start speeding up, okay? Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park. Okay, speeding up. Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park. Okay, so we fingerspelled the name, we practiced fingerspelling the name of the movie. Now let's get into the reason that we're here. Now fingerspelling by itself can be, exciting, it's useful, but how often is it all by itself? It's usually part of a larger sentence, a larger context. All right, so here in our situation, our example, we're going to be Anne Hathaway, like movie Jurassic Park. So let's go nice and slow, step by step. Here we go. Let's fingerspell Anne Hathaway. Anne Hathaway. Okay, like. Here's a sign for like. Like. We're going to be using the tip of the middle finger, tip of the thumb, and we're going to make this movement right at our chest. So tips like that, pull out. All right? Like. From the side, like. Like. This kind of movement. All right? Like. All right, next word, next sign, movie, movie, movie. Okay, non-dominant hand, I'm right-handed, so non-dominant hand, this hand shape right here, put it right here, Dominant hand, just the number 5, open hand, put it down here so the palm's touching, now just move it back and forth. Movie, movie. From the side, movie. Okay, you may also see where it's signed like this, where the bottom hand is flat, movie. To be consistent in this lesson, we'll be signing it like this, movie. Okay, and the movie is Jurassic Park. Let's fingerspell. More practice, the better. Jurassic Park. Okay, so let's do it all. Let's do the complete sentence. We'll go nice and slow so you don't get rushed. Just, yeah, let's do it. Here we go. Anne Hathaway like movie Jurassic Park. Look at that. We just signed a complete sentence. All right, let's do it again. Again, sign, fingerspell with me. A little bit quicker. Here we go. Anne Hathaway like movie Jurassic Park. Wow. All right, let's do it again. Even quicker. Anne Hathaway like movie Jurassic Park. All right, one more time. Anne Hathaway like movie Jurassic Park. Okay, good. So we fingerspelled this complete sentence. Wonderful. So in this lesson we did answers, we did practice, and boosted your skills. Okay, wonderful. Well paced. It's easy to slow down or speed up as needed, and I got tons of practice and review. I'm a lot more confident with fingerspelling now, and will try to get faster. Thanks. Gina left this review for our course, the ABCs plus Fingerspelling. This is a huge course, over 11 hours, almost 12 hours. Okay, so first off, you're going to learn the ABCs. No, I mean really learn the ABCs. We're talking about getting you to the point where you can sign any letter, whatever it is, in any order, whenever it needs it. Just pop it out, you can get that letter, right? Lots of practice, lots of testing. That's the first part. Then we get into the main purpose of the course, fingerspelling. Fingerspelling like crazy, okay? We're going to do common letter combinations, acronyms, single words, multiple words, short words, long words, celebrity names, brands, movie names, just to get you fingerspelling like crazy and just build up that finger fluency. We're also going to do something very important, very like getting out there and actually doing it, because real signing in real life is a mix between fingerspelling and signing. So we have lots of exercises where there's complete sentences. We'll teach you the signs where you can mix signing and fingerspelling, and we're going to test you on it as well. Okay, tons of content in this course. Just blast your fingerspelling skills through the roof. Yes, and have fun while you do it. This is one of over 35 courses included in our ASL bundle. We design our content to include beginners. We focus on beginning and improving signers. So if you have some skills, great. If you have absolutely no skills whatsoever, you're like, sign language? I don't know anything, but I want to learn. We got you covered. We teach you step by step from scratch, bite-sized, easy to digest lessons. Learn some stuff in detail. Get tested on it, signing, understanding, and just go nuts. Okay. Go to ablelingo.com. Check out our stuff, preview it. Make sure that our teaching style fits with your learning style. And a tip here, whether you choose our stuff or you choose another online platform or whatever course you decide to purchase, very important tip I'm going to give you right now. Make sure that you can preview their content. Now this seems obvious, right? But when I explore out there, sometimes, many times, there are ASL sign language courses out there. They promise you the sun, the moon, the stars, and the layout looks beautiful. It looks like there's tons of content, and there's either no intro video, or maybe there's an intro video, but guaranteed you don't see any of the course content. Well, it's like that speaking versus doing type thing. If I tell you all about things, but I don't actually let you preview the stuff, you can't make up it's more challenging to make up your own mind if what I have is good for you. So we have tons of content that you can preview. I mean, you can see our stuff on social media, on YouTube, whatever. If you like our social media stuff, you are going to love the stuff that we have in our ASL bundle because it's just so much, and yeah, tons of stuff. Okay, take your time, whatever you choose, whether it's our courses, other people's courses out there, make sure you can preview the content. Big tip. Sounds so simple, but very important because you're going to be investing more likely than not time for sure. That's the most valuable. Money as well. Trying to fit it in your schedule. See if the teaching approach fits with your learning approach. Take your time. Make sure you can preview the content. Really important. Okay, Gina, thank you for including us in your sign language journey.